Good morning, my dear students. This is your solar friend, Solar Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. On this 15th of October, I mean 92 happy birthday of our beloved 11th People President of India's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. So I wanted to celebrate in an innovative way. As Dr. Kalam always said, you have to be more productive on any of my anniversaries. So I said, okay, how good I can do some special innovative tinkering so that all of you guys can be self-powered, sun-powered, green-powered. As you all know that we have been experiencing record high temperatures because of global warming, and you all know how badly the climate has changed and seasons have changed. It is not good. So Mother Planet, Mother Earth sustained for million years, but it has to sustain many more million years. Dr. Kalam answered to one of the students' question that Earth can sustain for million more years. So how do we make sure that Earth can sustain? As of now, all the scientists of the globe, they always calculated the way the energy is consumed today, the fossil fuel based energy based on which the global warming. Because of the global warming, ultimately climate has changed. Humans have done enough of damage to the mother planet. That's where the record high temperatures and sea level raises so badly every year, millimeters after millimeters, and whatnot, so many things. Wild forest fires, so many things. So ultimately, what we all need to do, instead of consuming the energy from fossil fuels, why can't we make use of the free energy, green energy offered by Sun God? That's possible using the solar photovoltaic modules. So I wanted to make you understand how nicely the photon energy of the light ray can be converted and controlled through a special devices like this charge control unit. They are called charge control units. There are many commercial models like this. There are many commercial models. They are all available. So we can also have our own designs and make ourselves. Okay, they're all kit based. So these are all electronics. So in this particular harnessing solar energy and storing it to a batteries like whatever battery you wanted, small AH to bigger AH, middle AH, like 7 AH to 10 AH, 40 AH, 70 AH, 100 AH, 150 AH, up to 200 AH at 12 volt level, whatever way. So 12 volt at 20 watt is the panel capacity here. Of course, I have 160 watt panel, 330 watt panel, 450 watt panel, like that, 540 watt panel. There are many panels on my roof now. But here, for make you understand, I have a small 20 watt panel and a small battery capacity to make you understand some interesting concepts here. The most interesting is that, so usually everywhere, everyone, what they do is they just connect the solar photovoltaic module to a charge control units like this, and then they simply connect batteries to that so that they don't know what's really happening. They'll charge and then they'll use the power back to the lights and fans and electrical appliances, whatnot. But the thing is, how much is getting harnessed, how much is getting loaded into the batteries, how much they are using, how much they have left over into the battery. So that even if sun doesn't come for 2-3 days or even 4-5 days, doesn't matter as long as they have the storage. They know how much it is still there. Like you have a count in your car fuel gauge. Likewise, you must have some idea. So that's why today on this 92nd birthday of Dr. Kalam, so I have tinkered a special device here to measure. So here is the device. I just named it as energy manager, solar energy manager. So here there are two energy meters. So inside there is electronic circuitry specially designed and developed for it. So the one in the down, with a mono color, the blue color back on, is that is for to see how much load you are using, how much energy you are consuming and all that. But the colored one, what you have there, that is going to help you how much energy is coming and getting stored into your this thing. So I'm trying to take you close to this, See, now you can see at what voltage, what is the current it is loading, and because of what is the power it is showing, and what is the energy is getting loaded. That means the watt hours energy, okay? All these things you can see from this, okay? So at this point of time, on this 15th of October 2023 at morning 10 a.m., so the sunlight is sufficient enough on my panel. So this is the current, and that is the voltage, and that is the power. That is the energy. For every hour I can see that. So you can see the time also. So in what time? See, it is almost 2 hours 16 minutes. You can see that, okay? So I'm trying to focus it more better so that you can see that. So in this time, because morning at 8 o'clock, I started connecting it. So in this 2 hour 10 minutes, so near about 140 watt hour is the energy loaded into my battery. So don't you think it's interesting? Very, very interesting. In just 2 hours, that is the energy you have loaded. By evening 5:30, so you can see totally this is around 10 hours of the time. In the 10 hours, during the 10 hours of time, how much watt hour energy you have loaded, you will see through my energy meter. And this is how you can understand. Now suppose, for example, in this experiment, what you can understand, now I'm going to, this particular energy manager, I have developed it, in such a way, I can remove this particular charge controller, and then I can connect another charge controller, and I can see which one is better here for me, for my local ambient light, and for me the panel capacity and the battery capacity, which is good enough, which is sufficient enough, at what ampere rating I must go for selecting the particular charge controller. All that I can decide because of we have specially tinkered this energy manager. So this is my tinkering for today to respect, honor my 11th People President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I supposed to be there in Rameshwaram today, but due to my health issues I could not go there. I just cancelled my up and down train tickets. But even then I felt myself, okay, let me do something from my working table itself. Okay. So though Dr. Kalam is taking rest, so I think he's inspired us through his inspirations, through his given motivations. I think we have responsibility to inspire our ignite young minds of the nation. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Jai Vigyan, Made in India, Make in India, Skill India from School India. Signing off, your science friend, your Solar Srinivas, scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. I wish you all go through the web page. Once again, I'll tell you, scientificstudents.com/solarlab.html. Then, if you wanted to see more such kind of products, you can also visit scientificstudents.com/solarbazaar.demo.html. As I would like to conduct many demonstrations at school level with all my own hundreds of gadgets developed on solar energy. So in front of the school students, I wanted to show them and demonstrate them and then make the functionality and how they work like that, and then they can have interesting idea about it, they can make use of them and they can tinker them, they can make them and they can use them. That's where they can be self-powered, secure powered, sun powered. Let's go on sun. Let sun pay the bill. Electricity. Okay? Let's go on a green way. So, green energy, cool energy, it's a renewable energy. Thank you. for watching this wonderful video. Bye bye.